So walking away from Scream Punk, look at what's there. Holy cow! What CraZanity is here? Apparently, it was put up like in its entirety in like 3 or 4 days. So let's go check it out. So they've closed all of Johnny Rockets over here and this entire area. It looks like they're gonna redo it a little bit, which is nice. It's good news. But Johnny Rockets is open, but they're redoing this area at least right here, which is I think good, because every part of this park can always have a little bit of refurb. But CraZanity, actually, it's nice looking over here. It really is. So here's a look at CraZanity itself. There are the seats. All the seats are put in right now. Testing should be starting shortly, I'm pretty sure. Maybe not today, but in the next couple days at least. But there is the queue housing right there that is being put up right now. At least it's shaded. That's awesome. And then you have the ride-out booth right over here. But CraZanity, wow.
I refuse to believe that.
Lee doesn't think it's taller than Wonder Woman, Lasso of Truth at Discovery Kingdom, but it definitely is. So here's an inside look at the seats are over there. Nice and comfy, I hope. But yeah, it looks like they're doing concrete work all around here, and that's going to be the main thing that they're going to be doing the next couple weeks. Hopefully we'll see like a July 4th weekend opening. That's what I can hope for, but it's looking great actually after work has been progressing. So Sandblasters is still getting work done. It looks like it just got a repaint, which is nice, at least on the outside. The inside is pretty much done. I mean, if I can get a peek inside, yeah, it's pretty much done.
I see. Oh, the cars.
Looking good. It's really looking good, actually. I don't think they'll open this until CraZanity's open, just to like open it all as a fully made area. So here is the line for Sandblasters. Scramblers, walls are down. Oh, it's looking great. The paint job itself is a little awkward to me, the green and blue, but the shade is beautiful. I love that there's a shade here. I love Scramblers. They are amazing. But they do have some arrows pointing you to the exit, which is also nice. And I love Scramblers.
Ooh.
So here's a look at the actual queue for Jammin' Bumpers is what it's now going to be called instead of Sandblasters. Ignore the voice crack. But yeah, it's actually a full queue and it's all covered up, which is really great.
Look at that small queue.